Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a simple calculator in Java. So what that will do is first we'll take two numbers at the start and then I'll ask you for a operator. And then after that, it will type the answer in. So I already added the import Java util scanner here and I already added the P under the I. So wait, actually it's not the I. Wait. Yeah, there we go. So I already set this up for us. So if you need time to do that, pause the video. But I already did it, so I'm gonna start the code now. Okay. So first we'll do public static void, yeah. Then we'll do scanner sc equals new scanner and then system dot in. Okay. Now we'll type system dot out dot print. Okay. Then we'll do enter two numbers. Okay. Then next up, wait, let me type the semicolon here. Okay, next up we'll do double A equals sc dot next double. Then we'll do comma. And then we'll copy this here. And now we'll do double B equals sc dot next double. But we'll remove the double here. Okay. Now we'll put a semicolon to end this off. Okay. Now we'll do system dot out dot print. Then we'll delete this and type enter and operator. Wait, let me put these here. And then we'll do plus, minus, times, and divide here. And then we'll put a colon there. And then we'll go to the next. We'll type char op equals sc dot next. And then we'll do this. And then we'll do dot char at. Then we'll put a 0 in there. Yep, it already auto did it. And we'll put a semicolon to end it off. Now let's go to line 14 and type double result equals switch op. Okay. Now we'll put this here. And now let's start the code. We'll do case. And don't forget to line up your case to the L. And now we'll type case plus. And by the way, this is a mistake that many coders do. When I started to code in Java, I also made this mistake before. Do not put double quotes here. Double quotes will not work. If you do double quotes, then it will cause an error. And we don't like errors, so let's try to avoid that. But only like single quotes will work here, so yeah. Okay, so then we'll put these here. And then we'll type A plus B. Okay, let's copy this. We'll paste this. Turn this into minus. And then we'll do A minus B. And then here we'll A times B. And change this to times. But for the divide, we'll do this a little differently. Okay? We will not exactly do that. So what we'll do is type B, and then we'll do exclamation mark equals 0, and then we'll put a question mark A slash B colon, and then we'll do double dot NaN with that here, and then we'll do default, and then we'll put this here, double dot nan, then we'll put a semicolon here, and here we'll also put a semicolon. There we go. Now we'll go to line 21 and end this off. Type system dot out dot println. Then we'll type result colon plus result. Then semicolon here. And there we go. Now all we do is run the code. But like if you didn't use Eclipse, like since like the last time you did, like you'll probably like use the last code before you left. So what will like if you like run this, it might use like one of these codes we did here before, or one something like you did. So just to like make this code run and not the other previous codes, we'll select that completely or do Control A, right click, run as one Java application, or you can do Alt plus Shift plus X and then J. But we'll do this to make it simpler, and we'll click OK. There we go. Now it asks us for our two numbers. Okay, like before we do that, just want to say like once you like do that, you don't need to like select and right click all the time. You can just like click here to do it. It's like for the first time because like the other codes might like cause like another code to run. So yeah, that's all I'm telling you. Okay, so we'll enter two numbers, 2.5, 2.5. Enter an operator, divide. Your answer is 1. Okay, now let's run this again. 6, 6. Enter an operator, times. Your result is 36.0. And this also works with decimals. Let me show you guys. Enter two numbers, 3.1415. Like we'll do pi. Okay, and we'll do E, 2.7172. Okay. Then it asks enter an operator. Then we'll like do multiply, I guess. It will just round it to like whatever amount of digits. It'll round it to this number here, which is approximately 8.54. And yeah, I guess that's it. So also if you type anything that's like, if you type three numbers like 9, 9, and 9, it will write nan, which will cause an error, and enter two numbers, pizza 9 or 8, it will cause an exception error here, which we don't want. So that's all I'm telling you guys about the calculator project. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's calculator project in Java. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends if you found this useful. And please keep watching my videos if you want to see more interesting videos about coding, math, and a bunch more subjects. Thank you guys for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have a great day.